When it comes to covering a TPO-sealed parapet wall, you want to make sure you protect that waterproof layer without causing any damage or leaks down the line. So here's the deal. Since your parapet wall is about 18 inches tall and already sealed with TPO, plus that loose-laid Carlisle HV300 fabric on top, the main goal is to keep that fabric from sun damage without stabbing holes in the TPO. Fastening anything directly through the TPO is a no-go because it'll compromise the waterproof seal. Instead, you should focus on attaching your parapet cap or covering only to the exterior stucco face, which is more durable and designed for fasteners. A parapet cap is a solid option. It covers the top and a bit of the sides, protecting everything underneath while giving a cleaner look. If you're thinking about DIY, just make sure whatever you use doesn't shift or leave gaps where water can sneak in. Using a future fascia-mounted deck railing or some type of decorative veneer inside to hold things in place sounds smart since it avoids direct fastening on the TPO. You'll want to use materials that can handle weather exposure and temperature changes without warping or cracking. Also, plan for proper overlaps and seals at corners to keep water out. Keep in mind, loose-laid fabric like your HV300 is typically meant to sit under ballast or pavers, so leaving it exposed isn't ideal for long-term durability. One of the biggest mistakes people make with TPO-sealed parapet walls is puncturing the membrane by trying to fasten caps or covers directly through it, which causes leaks. Another common issue is not properly securing parapet caps, which leads to wind uplift or water infiltration around loose edges. Lastly, ignoring UV protection for loose-laid fabric like HV300 can shorten its lifespan, so covering it promptly is key. The fix? Always fasten to the exterior wall only, use UV-resistant materials for the cap, and double-check all seams and overlaps are tight and sealed with compatible adhesives or sealants made for roofing membranes. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot if you're hunting for reliable contractors who know their stuff about roofing and parapet walls. It connects homeowners with trusted local pros, making it easier to get your project done right without the hassle of endless searching. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a solid way to find new work and grow your business by reaching people who actually need your skills.